How's it going, everybody? James with OnlineCarShow. Got a really good video for y'all today. It's going to be on preparing the car and the trip to Camaro Fest. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started.
Turn it down, you say. Well, I gotta say to you, and time again to say no. Tell me not to play. Well, all I gotta say to you when you tell me not to play is say no. So if you ask me why I like the way I play it, there's only one thing I can say to you. I wanna rock. I wanna rock.
Well, for Camaro Fest, I'm planning on leaving. I keep getting asked the question, so I thought I'd just put it out there. I'm planning on leaving next Tuesday for Camaro Fest. The plan is to leave Houston Tuesday after work, so it'd be 5 p.m. or so, and drive all the way to Arkansas, Arkladelphia or something, I think is where we're staying the night. So it won't be much going on that night, but the next morning, Wednesday morning, we'll be driving from Arkladelphia to Memphis, where I plan to stop and see Graceland and stuff like that, and then drive on that night to Bowling Green and stay the rest of the time at Bowling Green. Maybe check out the Corvette Museum, Corvette Factory. There's amusement park there, I believe, and some other things. So long list of things to do when we get there, more than we have time for. So that's the plan as of so far. I'll put a little map in here so y'all can see, I guess, the journey I plan to take. And there's still fireworks going off. Y'all didn't hear that in the background, but from July 4th. But now we'll get into, I guess, what I plan to do to prepare the car for the long trip up there, and little steps I'm taking and so forth. All right, for those that missed my video on the Rockguards for the Camaro from Z01 add-ons, I've added these specifically really pretty much for Camaro Fest, just the road trip up there. I am road tripping the car without a trailer, so I put the Rockguards on just to protect the body a little bit. And as you can see, we've also got them right here. So I'll zoom in there. There's our Rockguards that should protect the back fender area here and the area right in there from rocks flying into it and so forth. Also wanted to show off one mod that I did actually buy for Camaro Fest here, or another mod I should say. Oh, cup in there. But it was a trunk organizer, and as you can see here, well, it's not sticking very well. Oh, there it is. It's got Velcro on the bottom, which is real nice for keeping it in place. It's got these little storage bin areas I can put all my car wash stuff into, tools on the side, little pockets. I think it was like $30 on Amazon. So I'm hoping this keeps me a little bit more organized on the road trip. We'll see. But just wanted to throw that out there. I'll put a link in the description. Anybody want one? I think they came in different colors and so forth. As far as preparing the car, I guess, car products wise, I'm going to go ahead and give her a full interior detail today. And we're going to wash her down and apply some AU cream from Rev Auto Supply for a wax. And also I'll put on top some of their Neo Armor, which is awesome for a temporary ceramic coating on top of the ceramic that's already there. But it really brings out the shine. And I noticed for a week and a half that I had it on there last time before it rained and stuff, it just looked immaculate. And sorry about the wind kicking up there. Also, I've got huge news, and this is the first video I'm shooting with the camera. I've recently purchased a new Canon 77D camera, so this is going to be what I'm shooting future videos with. I've ordered a Rhodes mic for it, so the audio may be a little bad in this one. Just know in the next video or two it'll be corrected, a little bit better audio. So there you have it. There's my plans, I guess, for Camaro Fest and so forth. More fireworks going off. and car's gonna look awesome. I cannot wait for this road trip. It's gonna be a really good time, and looking forward to meeting everybody up there that I collaborate and communicate with on YouTube and so forth. So I cannot wait to get to shake everybody's hand and see them at the show. I also want to say real quick, congrats to Camaro Time and 6 Gen Lou on Instagram. 6 Gen Lou won the Camaro carbon fiber key fob cover, or whatever you want to call it, and Camaro Time won the petrol box. The first contest I did it off share numbers. The second contest I did it off a randomizer where you got bonus entries for shares. So be sure to go out, give them a congrats. Be looking forward to the next contest. There'll be many more coming. I plan to do one at 5,000 subs. So there you have it. Let me know in the comments what y'all think, and if you're attending Camaro Fest, go ahead and put it out there. If you're going to be somewhere around Arkladelphia Wednesday afternoonish, or Wednesday morning I should say, sorry, I'd love to caravan with you up there to Memphis and so forth, or maybe from Memphis on to Bowling Green. But if you're going, leave a message in the comments, and you can instant message me on Instagram along the trip and so forth. Now, as far as the trip back, we are going to plan to leave Bowling Green, Kentucky on Sunday. I believe I heard that Lethal Camaro was actually going to travel from Bowling Green to Houston Sunday as well, and visit Fast Tech Performance coming up. So be sure to go out. He just posted a video last night on his trip to Camaro Fest and the trip back, etc. So be sure to go check that out. And if you're wanting to hook up maybe for the caravan back, I'm leaving Sunday. I think checkout's at noon or something like that. So I'll be leaving Bowling Green sometime before then. Be sure to connect with me, and maybe we can caravan back or something. I'm going to have a lot more content coming up. I'm going to try to get some of the footage going up to Bowling Green, and especially shoot some shots, or especially shoot some videos while at the Bowling Green car show and racing, etc. Give you all some shots of some of your favorite YouTubers out there. And in this video with some footage I shot of a car show here a couple weeks back, the Summer Throwdown, and it was a freaking awesome show. We're sponsored by a company called Crew on Deck, and I'm definitely going to check out more of their shows. It had a Batmobile from the 60s. It had a Back to the Future DeLorean with hoverboard inside. They had the General Lee, so a bunch of movie cars. It had a bunch of racers and tuners, but it also had a bunch of muscle and really cool lowered cars, wraps, etc. They had car models out there, concert. I mean, it was the whole shebang. So be sure if you're in Houston to pay attention to their upcoming events. It'll be worth your while. But anyways, thanks again, and here's some of that footage.